Hey modelers, love building scale models and enjoying my content? Support the channel on Patreon. Your support helps me create better tutorials, in-depth kit reviews, and high-quality builds. Plus, you'll get exclusive perks like behind-the-scenes access, early videos, and special shoutouts. Join the community at patreon.com/smallscalefun, and let's take scale modeling to the next level together. The first model I recommend is the Tamiya 1/24 scale Porsche 911 Turbo 88 kit. Is a straightforward build, ideal for modelers seeking a hassle-free project. The kit features a curbside design, meaning it lacks a detailed engine compartment. Many components are designed to snap together, reducing the need for glue in several assembly steps. While this simplifies construction, it may not satisfy those desiring intricate detailing. The Fujimi version of the Porsche 911 Turbo 88 offers a more challenging build for modelers seeking more complexity and detail. The second model I recommend is the Revell Porsche 911 Carrera 3.2 Coupe 124 scale. Is a solid kit that captures the essence of the classic 1980s Porsche. While not as refined as some high-end Tamiya kits, it offers a rewarding build for both intermediate and experienced modelers. Authentic design. The body shape and proportions are accurate, capturing the iconic look of the Carrera 3.2. Detailed interior. The kit includes well-molded seats, dashboard, and door panels with options for added detailing. Opening hood and engine detail. Unlike some curbside kits, this one features a basic but decent engine bay. The third model I recommend is the Tamiya Porsche 9/59124 scale. Is a classic model kit that faithfully recreates one of the most advanced sports cars of the '80s. Originally released in the late '80s, this kit showcases Tamiya's signature quality, combining excellent molding with precise fit. Highly detailed body and interior, the sleek lines of the Porsche 959 are beautifully captured with crisp panel lines and realistic proportions. Full engine detail. Unlike many curbside models, this kit includes a well-replicated twin-turbo flat-six engine visible through the rear hatch. The fourth model I recommend is the Revell Porsche 918 Spyder 1/24 scale. Is a detailed model kit that replicates the high-performance hybrid hypercar with impressive accuracy. While not as refined as some premium kits, it offers a solid balance of detail and affordability. The sleek and aggressive design of the 918 Spyder is well captured, with good proportions and panel lines. Features a well-replicated cockpit and a partial view of the hybrid V8 engine through the rear cover. Some areas may require extra test fitting and sanding, especially in the chassis and body alignment. The fifth and last model I recommend is the Tamiya Porsche 999 GT2 1/24 scale road version. Is a high-quality kit that beautifully replicates the aggressive yet street-legal version of Porsche's race-bred 993 GT2. Known for its exceptional molding and fit, this kit is a great choice for modelers of all skill levels. The wide fenders, large rear wing, and aerodynamic details are perfectly captured. Features realistic seats, dashboard, and door panels with precise engraving. While it doesn't include a full engine, the chassis and suspension details are well molded. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Got any tips or ideas for future builds? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one. Happy modeling!